Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing Hawk EA for MT4. We'll go through the MQL5 Marketplace page, break down what the developer is presenting, look at the built-in strategy structure, and then review the historical testing approach before sharing the final takeaway. So starting with the marketplace listing, Hawk EA is priced at 30 US dollars and developed by Zachary bin Hoffman. The version shown here is 1.0 with 5 activations available. Right at the top, the developer positions this EA as a fast account growth system, describing it as growing your account with the speed of Hawk. All right. Now, from the description, Hawk EA is built using 5 internal strategies, which are combined into a single trading system. The developer also clearly states that, what it does, it states that states what it does not use. Okay, and that includes no martingale, no hedging, no scalping, no grid trading, and no arbitrage. So that's an important point the listing emphasizes early on. Now, as I continue through the page, the EA specifically is designed for EURUSD on the H1 time frame. It is intended to operate mainly on one chart rather than multiple setups, meaning it is structured for focused execution on a single instrument. The developer also mentions long-term historical performance from 2000 to 2020, presenting it as a system that has remained stable over a long testing period. While I'm just reading what is provided here, that is the context given in the listing. Moving into the parameters section, there are several key controls that define how the EA behaves. One of them is max open trades, which limits how many positions can be active at the same time. There is also a spread filter, where the EA will avoid opening trades if spreads exceed the defined threshold, which helps control execution conditions. In the money management section, there are multiple options. You can use a fixed lot size or a scaling method based on balance, where position size increases as account equity grows. There is also an auto lot feature that adjusts position sizing based on stop loss distance and predefined risk percentage limits. Looking further, the EA includes SL and TP settings, but also allows trades to be managed using an internal exit system. This means trades can be closed based on the EA's logic rather than relying strictly on fixed stop loss or take profit levels. There are also break-even and trailing stop features. The break-even function moves stop loss to entry once a trade reaches a certain profit distance, while the trailing stop gradually follows price after a defined profit threshold. These tools are generally used to help lock in profits during favorable price movement. Now, before moving into testing, the recommended conditions are EURUSD on the H1 time frame with spreads below 10 points. The developer highlights that lower spreads are important for performance, which is something to keep in mind when evaluating the system. Now, moving into the back testing section, we are looking at historical testing performance rather than live trading results. The developer mentions long-term performance across a wide historical range, which is often used to show how a system behaves across different market conditions. Now, looking at what we have here, $100 is the initial deposit. Over $2.4 million is the total net profit. Over 20,000 trades taken with over 12,800 profitable, giving us a 63.37% win rate. Okay, pretty impressive. And we can see here fixed 0.01 lot, initial deposit $100, total net profit 3,980, 63.37% win rate. Let us head over to our strategy tester. Let's see how the Hawk EA performed on Euro USD on the H1 time frame over the past 3 months in 2026. And we are using the every tick modeling, of course. Okay, so here we have a total net profit of negative $661.62 from an initial deposit of $10,000. The total trades taken were 276, out of which 155 were profitable, giving us a 56.16% win rate. And here the largest profit is 129.05, largest loss 159.21, average profit 26.42, average loss 39.31. So this shows that the average risk to reward ratio is pretty bad, because the average loss is greater than the average profit, and the difference is quite substantial. All right. So now let us just quickly turn on the visuals. Let's also see how this EA looks like in action. Okay, so now when reviewing the historical chart behavior, the structure suggests that trades are managed with predefined risk controls, including spread filtering, trade limits, and exit logic built into the system. The combination of break-even and trailing stop features also indicates that trade management is designed to adapt once positions are in profit. I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market environments. This is especially important when dealing with systems that rely on multiple internal strategies. As always, historical backtest results should be treated as historical analysis only. Actual performance can vary depending on risk settings, lot size selection, broker execution, spread, slippage, and overall market conditions. Overall, the Hawk EA for MT4 is a low-cost expert advisor built around multiple internal strategies with strict rules against greed, martingale, and hedging approaches. It focuses on Euro USD H1 trading with built-in risk controls, spread filtering, and automated trade management. Before using it live, I will still recommend thorough testing and optimization to understand how it behaves under your own trading conditions. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.